How to change your birthday on Roblox without support. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to change your birthday in Roblox without relying on their support team. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is just go to our account settings in Roblox. So just go to settings right here and then just click on settings. So once you're here at your profile settings, what you want to do is just to right click the page and then just click on inspect. And then from here, what you want to do is to just look for the birthday container. So to find that, just scroll down until you see birthday, or what you can do is to just input Control F on your keyboard and then just type in birthday. And then from here, you will now get to see the birthday container. So what you want to do is just go to that container and then just click on these three dots right here. And then from here, what you want to do is just click on edit as HTML. And then what you want to do is just to highlight all of these and then just delete it. And then after that, what you want to do now is just go to the link down in the description in where you can get in where it will redirect you to another website, so that you'll just paste the code right here. So I'll just paste the code right here, and then once you're done, just click on enter, and then there you go. So as you can see over here, I can now change my birthday. So for example, I'll just change it to this one, and then once you're done, just click on verify age, and then there you go. So as you can see, when I exit out of here, as you can see, I can now change my birthday when I click on it. And then once I change my birthday, I can now verify my age from here just by clicking on this. And yeah, and then you're pretty much done. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to change your birthday on Roblox without their support.